Understanding the phrase, bear bag, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, bear bag. This might sound a bit unusual, but it's a term that can come in handy, especially for those who love outdoor activities like camping and hiking. So, let's dive in and explore what bear bag means and how it's used. Before we understand the phrase as a whole, let's look at the two words separately. Bear. When we hear the word bear, we might think of the large mammal that lives in the forest. However, in this context, it's related to bears, but it's not directly referring to the animal itself. Bag. This is a common English word that refers to a container made of fabric, paper, plastic, or other material, usually used for carrying things. When we put these two words together, bear bag, we are not talking about a bag for bears or a bag made of bear. It's something entirely different. A bear bag is a term used by campers and hikers to refer to a bag used to store food and other scented items away from bears. The main purpose of a bear bag is to prevent bears from accessing human food and becoming accustomed to human presence, which can be dangerous for both humans and bears. Using a bear bag involves hanging it from a tree branch at a height and distance that makes it difficult for bears to reach. The recommended height is at least 10 to 15 feet above the ground and 4 feet away from the trunk of the tree. You need to find a suitable tree away from your camping site. Place your food and other scented items inside the bear bag. Use a rope to hang the bag from a branch, following the recommended height and distance. Using a bear bag is crucial for several reasons. It protects your food supplies from being eaten or damaged by bears. It helps in keeping bears wild. When bears get access to human food, they can become habituated and may start seeking out human campsites, which can lead to dangerous encounters. It also ensures the safety of both campers and bears. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand what a bear bag is, why it's important, and how to use it properly. Remember, the goal is to enjoy nature while keeping both ourselves and the wildlife safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, happy learning!